Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert iPhone notes to PDF. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily convert any notes to PDF. So first of all, go to your Notes app and open the note that you want to convert to PDF. Now just tap on the share icon at the top right corner and here tap on print. And now tap on share at the top right, and as you can see the note has been converted to PDF document. Now just tap on save to files and select a folder where you want to save the note. Now tap on this name option to rename your PDF. So here's I'm typing PDF test and let's save this PDF. Once saved, go to your Files app and go to the folder where you just exported your PDF. Now scroll down and search for the PDF. So here's the PDF test. So this is how we can easily convert our iPhone notes to PDF. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.